central Kentucky, west central Loudoun County, and east central Kentucky until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lewisburg to Camargo, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Sterling, Flemingsburg, Owensville, Funkburg, Marshall, Jeffersonville, Camargo, Sharpsburg, Salt Lick, Fairview, Clay Lick, and Ramey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Severe weather approaching.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 275 has been allowed to expire for the following counties: in Kentucky: Bourbon, Boyle, Casey, Clark, Fayette, Garrett, Harrison, Jessamine, Lincoln, Madison, Mercer, Nicholas, Scott, and Woodford. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeast